Hello, greetings everyone. Welcome to my channel PCTech. Continuing the series of Excel, in this video I will share an exercise on searching with conditions. Specifically, we will be searching based on two conditions. The task for this exercise is to consolidate attendance into a table using the lookup, index, and match function. In reality, we only list one of the two methods to solve this problem, but I want to introduce both methods. Problems involving searching with conditions have many practical applications. So let's follow along with this exercise to learn more about searching with multiple conditions. After using the function, we will have a result in two tables. The results will be the same, but one table with its lookup and the other with its index and match. Now I will provide a detailed guide on how to solve this problem. First, you download file I put in description below. In the first table, we will use the lookup to search for values based on the cost and date in the attendance detail sheet. In the cell D4, you input the formula equal lookup open parenthesis 2, 1 divide open parenthesis. Go to attendance detail. Select from B2 to B42. Press F4 to lock the range equal C4. You need to lock the column. Close parenthesis, divide, open parenthesis. Go to attendance detail sheet. C2 to C42. Press F4 to lock. Equal D2. We lock the row. Okay. Close parenthesis, comma, attendance detail sheet. Select from D2 to D42. Press F4 to lock. Close parenthesis. Enter. Copy formula to our cell. Okay. I have already set and explained lookup exercise in many previous videos, so you can review and practice. Wrap the form. As you see, some cells have an NA. It means it's an error. So I will use if error formula to hide it. Okay. Copy. Okay. So we done the first requirement using lookup to find the attendance summary. Next we will consolidate attendance in the second table using index and match. In the cell D12, enter the following formula. I will use equal index open parenthesis attendance detail D2 to D42. Press F4 to lock, comma, index open parenthesis match open parenthesis. Go back, delete it because we will select cell in this sheet, so don't need display the name of sheet. C12. Lock the column and D12. Lock the row, comma, 10 in detail. B2 to be 42. Press F4 to lock. And C2 to C42. Press F4 to lock. Comma 0. Close parenthesis. Comma 0. Close parenthesis. Close parenthesis. Enter. Copy to other. Okay. Same reroll with the table above using Lookup. I also use if arrow to hide the cell have a NA. Okay. About index and math. I use math for two conditions, cost and dates. You should pay attention to the formula. I use the AND object signed to constant list to search value and array. The math function is less within an index function to avoid using Ctrl+Shift+Enter. The math function returns the position of the value to be found in the array of the first index function. The if arrow function hide arrow value. Okay. The logic just concludes my guidance on solve the problem of searching with two conditions using two different methods, lookup and index plus math. You should practice to master the use of their function. Okay, I'm done. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.